Hold on, bro. Hey, we got the homie here. We got the homie right here. Hold on, go ahead and pull up, bro. Y'all see him in full effect, bro. We got the homie. He got kicks in the motherfucking building, bro.
Hey, he moved a little closer to me, so you guys already know.
The link up's crazy.
The link up gonna be crazy.
Hey, but what's really crazy is the homie, he brought something really special just for the Vintage Squad. And I said, bro, you gonna have to bring him. This is one of my most anticipated pickups of 2023. He's like, yo, I got you. I'm gonna let you check him out. And we're gonna show the Vintage Squad. I can see his opinions about it because I didn't watch his video yet.
That's crazy.
Hey, when I don't get a shoot in yet, I don't want to watch, the homie video because he be breaking them down, bro. So
we try.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get my raw reaction to the playoff face, man. So let's go ahead and get them. Let's break them down. Let's get into today's video.
Here.
All right, man. So the homie got him. You got him in the size 10.5, huh?
Yeah, 10.5, because you gotta go up a little size because it has a little inner sock lining, So real quick, before I bring it out though, the homie is now back shooting videos again on the race to the plaque, to the 100K.
Bro, we both are, bro. We gotta get it, bro. This year, I want all the homies to get 100K, bro. 100K and beyond, you feel me?
We about to hit 40 on my channel.
Yes, sir.
So you guys already know what we had to do, man.
Yes, sir.
I had to bring this to the channel for the homie. I'm gonna let him unbox it.
Appreciate it. If you already know the homie, he got kicks, man. He been going crazy. When I've been going, he been going crazy. You know what I'm saying? He already almost 50K. So y'all go tap in with him. I'm gonna link him down below. You know what I'm saying? This is the homie. Y'all probably seen him on multiple videos from years ago. Y'all probably ain't seen us link up in a while just because, kind of distance.
We lived a good far away. Now he is 2 hours from me, so
super close. So y'all gonna see a lot of collab videos.
We gonna make it happen.
Us hitting a couple different sneaker events, sneaker stores and stuff like that. But the main event right here, man, we have them, the Air Jordan 8 playoffs, bro. And these ain't released since 2013, right?
Yeah.
2013, last time these dropped. I never had a pair, so I'm super interested seeing how these bad boys look, man. So official colorway, Air Jordan 8 Retro Black, True Red, and White. Let y'all check that out in the size 10.5. I need you in size 9. So they got a size 9. Hit your boy up.
Right now it's crazy. The only people that I've seen with like early pairs have only been bigger sizes.
I know, but sheesh, these motherfuckers tough, bro. Check them out. Air Jordan 8 playoffs, bro. Man,
one thing you'll notice is
that
red tab right here on the sock lining. Got the red tab just like Mike wore it, as you guys see. Of course, man, the only thing that I kind of don't like is it's kind of like two different types of material. So if you notice it.
So it's like a suede. So it's like a suede right here on the side, but on the toe box, it's like a weird nubuck, like leather.
It reminds me. You remember the red suede 12s that came out?
That weird. They had
exactly what it
the
reminded
mud
me.
guard was a little different than the whole entire sneaker. Y'all remember that right there. But these is tough, bro. Finally have them back. Playoff 8s. I cannot wait to get my pair. Like you said, like a lot of people have been getting a lot of bigger sizes, and he dropped a video on how to get early sneakers. So if you haven't watched that video, man, make sure you go tap into it. Kind of broke it down and kept it real with y'all.
I'm probably one of the only people that's gonna keep it 100%.
He kept it 100% honest with y'all and letting y'all know how he actually get them early. And the same way he gets them early is usually how I get them early as well. So if y'all gonna tap into that in his channel, y'all gonna see exactly how he gets everything early. He get everything before me, bruh. So that's why y'all see
I had to pay the price.
Hey, he paid to play. I have to pay to play as well. But back to these playoffs, man. What y'all think? Right now down below in the comment section, man. Let me know what you're feeling about them. Like I said, last time they dropped was 2013, and I ain't gonna lie, bro. They did not miss. Usually they mess up with OGs.
They usually always mess something up.
Always, but now them joints is clean and pristine, bro. Look at them, bro. I don't know if it's that
show the bottom. You gotta show the bottom.
I know. It's the main attraction, bro. The main attraction to the 8s is usually the outsole along with the little, mud guard on the side, or what do you call this?
I just call it the midsole.
Side panel. Yeah, the midsole side panel. You know what I'm saying? Got a nice little hits on it, and then of course checking out the insole, and then the back of the tongue get the same like little effects, little hits of color you get on the outsole as well, man. But this is predominantly all black sneaker. You really can't miss. So when you throw it on an 8, you know what I'm saying, of course this playoff colorway is going to translate every time they drop. We probably gonna get these to drop probably 3-4 times more in my lifetime. You know what I'm saying? They always retro in these colorways, always bringing them back,
and it doesn't matter how many times they drop a playoff colorway, it's gonna sell out.
It's gonna sell out.
It's gonna sell out. The insole got the Nike Air.
Nike Air. Oh, let me first spread that open real quick. let me spread her open real quick, man. And on the insole, he just pointed out, you got the Nike Air in there. I don't know if you can check it out.
Yeah, you can kind of see it.
Yeah, you kind of see it right there. Nike Air inside.
You get the Jumpman, of course.
Jumpman.
Like, I love like the kind of like puffy logo on the front.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought they would have did like, you know, hit us with a couple different colors on there. But this is how he wore it back when he actually, you know, rocked these playoff 8s right here, man. Put in work with these. And this is the biggest Jordan fan that I know. He probably think I hate Jordan. I actually respect what Jordan did. I love what he did with this, of course, for the sneaker community. But this guy know everything. He probably know exactly the exact date, time, where he wore them, what arena, you know, so what he ate for breakfast that morning. He probably know all that right here about these playoffs, man. So,
hey, Michael won one of his championships in them, of course, so you have to kind of go with it. Of course, it was the 8 that he won the last championship of the first three-peat. So, you know, can't go wrong with that. Before he retired and went ahead and played a little baseball, came down to my city, Birmingham, played with the Birmingham Barons. You know how it go. But this thing right here, honestly, definitely one of the more anticipated sneakers that I've been looking for this year, because of course anything OG I'm probably doubling up on. Derek probably, or the vintage probably will be too. All
right, man, and then last thing I did want to point out, I don't know if I said it or not, something that really pops out, bro, and this make it look like super like ahead of its time back when he did wear it back in the day, is that 2-3 on the front, bro. Like, I think that's super dope. Kind of like some pop out 2-3 effect right there, and of course, like I said, the Jumpman on the tongue with the furry smash jazz on there, bro. So yeah, definitely one of my most anticipated pickups. Like the homie said, I might double up. I'm not too sure. I doubled up on the reimagined 3s. I doubled up on.
Have to.
You had to double up on those. I doubled up on the Chicago 2, which I probably didn't have to do. But a shoe that I definitely want to go back and double up on is the reimagined ones, because I have no Chicagos other than those right there.
Who calls it the reimagined one?
The lost and found ones. The lost and found ones are part of the reimagined pack.
So another thing too, a little ahead of its time, of course, was the straps.
Yep.
The straps that, of course, Michael put on it and everything. That's super dope. Somebody in my video said any sneaker with straps on it's corny. Well, cool. That means mo for me.
I know, right? So. Mo for us, bro. But I know everybody watching today's video most likely anticipating to cop these. They're released when?
September 30th.
So September 30th, these bad boys are gonna be dropping. The retail probably gonna be 210, 200. 210.
For sure.
They're gonna hit y'all over the head. You already know how Nike gonna do this year. Probably next year it's gonna go up even more. Just wait for that. But yeah, man, down below in the comment section, let me know what you think. Air Jordan 8 playoffs in full effect. Shout out to the homie. He got kicks for pulling up. We might have a couple more videos lined up.
For sure.
I got some early in the closet. I know he probably already done checked out. We're gonna, you know, dissect things together and show y'all how we feel about him, man. So
can't wait.
Yeah, man. With all that being said, go ahead and subscribe to the homie. He got kicks. I'm gonna link it down below. Let's get him up to 100K, bro.
But hey, I'm like literally about 1,500 away from 40K. We're doing a huge giveaway where I'm going to sneaker conventions and I'm at the trade up challenge. So whatever I get up to at the trade up challenge, when I hit 40K, I'm giving it away. Right now we're at a pair of lost and found ones.
Sheesh.
I started with the all white Air Force One, the 111, not Supreme, not like that, just the regular 111. Traded all the way up to the lost and found. We're gonna keep going. If I hit 40K and it's Travis, I'm giving a Travis away.
Hey, go ahead and tap into the videos, to the episodes. Y'all might win y'all something special, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I'm gonna link his YouTube down below. Again, appreciate it, dog, for letting me check these bad boys out. Hit that subscribe button over here on this channel, you know what I'm saying? We still on that grind. We all trying to, you know, push out the sneaker content, show you guys what we love, and that is sneakers, you feel me? So yeah, man, with all that being said, I appreciate all the support, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.